everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to Shah Sisters. So here I am. I know I have been off for really long, but I hope your quarantine is being good to you. So can you see this? What I have done? I hope you like it. And let me tell you that this is whole thing made from junk. So that's what it is about. This video is about memories made from junk. So if you see, all these things will require, you can see all of these things are just lying around in our home like that. You don't need to go down to buy any of this. What we have here is some color pencils. I hope all of you have them. If you don't have, you can use any kind of color. There's no compulsion. We have scissors. Then we have all this wedding cards, invitations, or any kind of thing which you have at home lying around. We have a glue. We have some watercolors, pencil, eraser, brush, and this very familiar which comes to our home every day. This is the newspaper, and this is a thread which lies around in our home always. Okay, so I am going to make this. I am going to show how to make this with all of this junk. And I have not only made this, I have made some more. I will show you all of them. See, I will show you how to make all of them. You can create memories. This quarantine has been very negative for all of us. So we just need something to lie around, to just throw out our emotions into, and this is what will help you. And I will tell you that you don't need any kind of book, special book for it. If you can see, this is just a normal diary. I have converted this diary into a memories book. Okay, so let's get started with this video. I will show you this first. Okay, so what you see here is something which I created on Father's Day. Alright, here I have, here you can see what I have is a painting. This is a painting which I did, and I have sticked the paper. If you are thinking that where is this line, so I have just sticked a normal Xerox paper here on this page in the size which was required, and I have painted some loose flowers in it using those painting colors, if you can see. So this is the loose painting which I did here. Then this is just a random piece of paper which was lying around in my home, which I just sticked it here just to give some more colors to this spread. And then I made Happy Father's Day written on the same Xerox paper which I used here. Okay, and then I just made this thing is using the same wedding card which I showed you. You can see there are many wedding cards lying here. So I just made this out of the wedding card, and then I used this little strips out of the wedding card. So this is out of the wedding card and this is out of the wedding card. Then these some beads which you see lying around. Some beads which you see lying around here. Okay, so these are the beads which I used from a loose cloth which was just lying around. I just removed that and I have stuck it here. And this is like a sticker which I just made out of the magazine which I had. Okay, so this is how the spread was made from the junk. Let's see the another one. Alright, so we all remember that this time's eclipse was something to look for, right? Because it was once in a while, once in many years, and we have never seen an eclipse like this. So it was definitely something which came into the newspaper. So this and these 9 things which are lying over here, I have used them from the newspaper. Okay, so I just had used the scissor for this and the glue. I used these 2 things for making this spread. I just sticked the thing which came into the newspaper in this form, and I just dated it, which was very important because we need to remember the date when it happened. And this as I showed you earlier, I just used this colors. This is the newspaper which we used. These are the colors. So I just made a simple painting here. You can see this painting is very simple. You just have to make a circle, and circle you can make using anything. Okay, and that brush, if you see there, I just use this brush to make this. Okay, so we have used 3 colors, as you can see, black, red and yellow. I have used those 3 colors, black, red and yellow. So I used these three colors to make this, and I've just made a little pun over here which is saying seriously quit mooning me, and this here it is saying only if you stop waving at me. So you can use any kind of thing over here, but yeah, that is how I created. You can make anything out of this. Okay, now let's go ahead with next. See this is something blue. This got me because when the rain had just started, I was thinking completely on aqua basis. Okay, so you can think on anything. If you think about greenery, you can just make green and some greenery here. If you think about sunset, you can write red and make some sunset thing over here. It's just on your imagination, whatever you want to create. So that's what I thought about, and I just created. This is a little painting which I did, again same way, using those colors. I have used blue, dark blue. As you can see, this is the dark blue which I used. This is the light blue which I used. See, and then I used white to just make my painting better. See, and the bonfire is made from brown. Okay, so these are the colors which I used. I hope you have. If you don't have, you can just make using such colors, pencil colors. If you don't have, you can just make using crayons also. It is your book, you can create whatever you want. This is the book for memories, not for perfection or artwork. Okay, so yeah, so I created this painting, and then I just wrote the color which I was thinking about in a fancy way. Since I was thinking about blue and rain, I just made some little drops here. You can see this is giving like a bathtub effect to it. So I just created that. And then this is very interesting. You can use this in any kind of journal you want. So this is color agree on travel bubbles and rules for cultural memories, right? So this I created using this newspaper itself. Okay, so there are many words you see going around in the newspaper. Here it says China, tours, jobs, returning. You can create a quote like this using those words. Okay, so that will really give a good effect to your book, and it will give a printed effect if you don't have printer, right? Because in quarantine we don't have any facility right now, so this is a way to create. Okay, now let's go to the next one here. So this is just a junk spread which I created very recently. You can see the date here. Okay, so this is something which again is made up of all the junk. This is again newspaper, that same newspaper I used. So you can use one newspaper for literally creating 10 or 15 artworks. Okay, so just random newspaper thing which I used here. This is a basic flower I made, you can see, and I have colored it with the same pencil colors, you can see, right? So I used green and dark green and black and pink and blue. Okay, so this is how I created this flowers. And then you see this is a pocket made from this wedding card which I had. Okay, so I made it using this wedding card. You will just have to stick the edges and you can make it. See, this is a pocket. Now if you want to see how I made this again is a waste paper which was lying around in my home. So I just made a kind of thing which was like a bookmark. You can make anything using any shape, anything you can make, and I have just painted it. And this is again the same way I have done. And you see that paper, that thread which was lying around on the paper, right? So I just stick that thread here, and I have again stuck the newspaper just to give that whole newspapery effect to this spread. Then the same paper I used here, I have used that paper to make this and these three. Okay, and this paper I have used thrice again, if you can see. Okay, and this is again the, you can see that, yeah, so that is the wedding card which I used for making this. Okay, see, so I made this square and this using that paper, and this same wedding card I used here. Okay, so that wedding card is right now not with me, but I've used the same wedding card for that. So you see how you can create this. Let me know in the comment section that if this was helpful to you to cope up with the quarantine stress. And also I forgot to mention, you can write anything which is going on in your mind at that time. So that time I just thought about dealing with one day at a time, and that's what I wrote. And I just drew some clock thing which was the thing which was on my clock that time, that's the time I used to make this little doodle here. So let me know in the comment section how do you like it, and if you make it, make sure to tag me, to share me your pieces. I would love to see it. Thank you. Have a stay safe, stay strong.